poor. Why God He has made me poor? If I were lavish, I would have comfortable life. I would have luxurious thing. But guys, I want to tell if you are poor, then you are very lucky person in this world. Because I have seen poor people, they know the value of the money. They know how they should talk. They know where they have to invest, where they have to spend their money. Means they know the value of time, they know discipline as well, in which manner I have to talk to her, him. So they know each and everything. And if you are poor, then you are very lucky person in this world, because God He has given you one opportunity to prove that no, you are not poor, you are so mighty, you are not undermined, you are very strong person and you can do. But stop thinking this negative. Yes, guys, like if I talk about myself, so I am not lavish girl. I belong to middle class family, and I'm so fortunate. I'm so serendipity, because God has given me one opportunity to prove that I can do anything in this world. I can change my life, and you can change your future by your arduous work. You can change your future by your scramble work. I know, as a poor, we have so many obstacles to face, but yeah, I am ready to face that. I am ready to fight with those problems that are becoming obstacle, that are becoming hindrance between me and my aim. And guys, you should not worry, because you are so powerful person in this world, and you are not doing arduous work for your aim, for your goal, and you are not only poor in this world. There are so many people just like you. They are poor and they are doing arduous work. They are doing back-breaking work to achieve their aim. Because watching dream is very easy, but to make that dream real, to take over that dream, it is very difficult. Like any people, one common people, he can watch dream, but when it's come to make that own, when it's come to make that real, we hesitate. We think that no, I cannot do, but let me tell you, you can do. If I talk about myself, so I had been watching this dream for long period of time, then when I would become fluent, and right now you can see. So you can become fluent, you can change your life, you can become very lavish person in this world. But for that you have to do a scramble for your aim, for your goal. Because see your parent, they have changed their life, they have become animal for you. Your parent, they have made day and night same for you. Like they are doing arduous work. Why they are doing arduous work day and night? Because like my son, he would do something better. They have believed on you that yeah, you can do something. They could not get a comfortable life in their childhood, but my son, my daughter, like they will give me one comfortable life. So you should not make yourself weak, make yourself strong every time. And you are not poor actually. In my point of view, you are so powerful and you are so lavish person in this world, because you know the discipline, you know the value of time, you know where you should speak, where you should not speak, you know each and everything. And you are suffering from responsibility. You have responsibility. Like at this time I have to do this work, at this time I have to do this work. If I do late, so like I will not do a study properly. So you are a responsible guy. You are the responsible person. You are doing your work with, with your arduous work. Yes, so you are very, very like lucky person that you have take born in this family. So never say that I am poor. You are not poor. You are powerful. Because I can give you so many examples. Like there were so many women. In childhood, they had nothing. Their parent used to do labor, and after getting married they used to face several problems, so they decided that no, I cannot tolerate this, that enough, now I have to do something for me, for my family member, so that I can live one comfortable life, so that I can provide my parent my so that I can provide my family member one comfortable life. And they did. Like you use social media, go and see so many women and so many men, like they are earning like lakh per month. They had nothing earlier, but right now they are earning. How? Because they did arduous work for their aim. They they used their time with serious way. So you also have to do it, and I know you can do. You can also make your life comfortable. You can also bring happiness like at your parent face. You can also give one comfortable life to your parent, but for that you have to fight with your obstacle that is becoming hindrance. Like obstacle is too much, I can understand, but you have to persist yourself, and this is your responsibility. And I can give you one example as well, so that you can boost your confidence. So once upon a time in forest, like a fire caused like terrible, and all like animal they came out from the forest, and they stood nearby the forest, and you can say the edge of the forest. But and like they felt, all animal they felt that they all were powerless except one bird. The name of that bird is hummingbird. And was she was doing arduous works, like she was trying to put out the fire. She used to go to the like stream, and she used to kept water as much as she can in his brick, and she used to go there and she used to try to put out the blaze. So like all animal, such as like elephant, she could carried the water in his large trunk, but she didn't. And like all animal were asking to her, do you think that you can do? So she did not say anything to them, but they all were repeating same thing. So she told to them, I am doing my best and I know I can. So same thing you have to think. Like you have to do enormous. Never think small and never think that you cannot do. You can do better than that. Like a small bird. She was so small. There were so many large, massive animals such as elephant, giraffe, but they all were looking. They all were saying that they are hopeless. They are like, they felt that they are powerless. But she was small, although she was trying. So you are not small, you are not poor. You are so mighty, and you have to identify yourself. Yes, you can do anything in this world. So never say that you are poor. You are so mighty. You can do. Be patient and put your extra effort. One day you will get. And God is always supporting you. You are not alone. And never think that you are only one who are doing arduous work in this world. No. You are not only one who are doing arduous work for your aim. You are not only one who are suffering from so many problems. You are not only one who are trying to combat with your obstacle. There are so many persons just like you. Like so many orphans. They also want to do a study. They are doing, so you can also do. Never say that you cannot do. You are the most powerful person in this world. So hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you have liked this video, so don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. We'll meet again so soon with new another video. Have a nice day.